Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Join me in the easy to do it yourself clay modeling. Today I shall show you how to make a rose flower from clay. All you need is colorful clay. So be ready. Hey kids, are you ready with some clay? Let's make a rose. Here I have divided this clay into 8 balls. As you can see, these are 8 balls and one smaller in size. Now all these balls, as we have seen in the earlier video how to make the petal, we shall press it between our fingers, thumb and the second finger, make it thin. Okay, now one I need is a little oval in shape. Here, like this. The smallest one, I have the smallest ball that I have made it into a thin oval. Now these balls, I shall roll them properly and press them between my fingers and make some petals. Here, thin petals, alright? We want the petals to be thin. So here. This is how our petals will be. Alright? Alright. So here's a little conical towards the end. So here we have thin petals. All these balls I shall roll into petals similar to this. So here our petals are ready. Now I shall take the smallest one, which is a little oval, and turn it into a cone. You know how to make a cone, right? Yes. Here, this is a cone. See, I'm pressing it a little bit more towards the end so it becomes more conical. You can see this, right? Now I shall take one petal, hold it, see here, towards the end of the cone, and here, press it at the bottom of the cone. Now I shall take another petal. Take care to see that the petals are thin. Now we shall overlap this first petal, we shall overlap it here. That is half on the petal and half outside. Again you press it. Now for the third petal, again here overlap it on the previous one. See, you can see half it is over the petal and half outside. Pull it closer here and down you go on, increasing the cone a little bit. Here, next petal, overlap it here. See here, I'm just sticking it so that they don't come off. I'm merging them together. Now for the next petal, again overlap here. Right? I'll take one more, overlap it on this. You can use as many petals as you require. Now out of the 8 I have used 6 of them and the center. Now I shall let them be as it is. Now what I am going to do is just the last petal which I have put, I shall turn it a little bit outside, then the previous one, and then the previous one, a little bit turn it outside so you can get the shape. See here, see, your flower, your rose is ready. Now the stem and the leaf. So I shall take this is our flower, and here this is how our rose looks. Here. can try making a rose. Enjoy your clay work. Thanks for watching. Now the stem and the leaf. So I shall take this. This is our flower and here. This is how our rose looks. Here. So you can try making a rose. Enjoy your clay work. Thanks for watching.